today I'm going to show you how to create a Lego effect within Figma. Step 1, draw a circle. We're going to make it 25 by 25. Change the transparency down to 1%. Now we're going to add a drop shadow, blur 2, Y2. We're also going to add an inner shadow, blur 2, Y2, but this one is going to be white and 15%. Press R, draw a rectangle, and we're going to make it 50 by 50, fill gray 1%, add another inner shadow, blur 2, Y2, white 15%, and we're also going to add a background blur 116. Now we're going to get our circle, bring it on top of our rectangle, and we're going to group them together in a frame. We're going to center the circle within the frame. Now we can just duplicate this and turn it into an overlay. Then I'm going to grab these two, I'm going to put them into a frame, auto layout, right, 0 spacing, duplicate this as many times as you want. I'm going to go to like 75, that's our first row. Grab all these, put them into a row. Now I want to change the auto layout direction to down, get our row, and duplicate this over and over until we have a board of Lego. Now we have a Lego board overlay that we can drag on top of pictures. Then grab your Lego board, drag it into the frame, there we have it.